All right, boys and girls, I'm going to read today's test to you. Number 1, Dennis has 23 blocks. Dennis has 12 more blocks than Brady. Which number sentence below could be used to find out how many blocks Brady has? So we know Dennis, we know his is 12 more, so what do we know about Brady then? Think about which one of these number sentences would work. Number 2, Marcus sold 44 glasses of lemonade. Marcus sold 10 more glasses of lemonade than Logan. Which number sentence can be used to find out how many glasses of lemonade Logan sold? So again, we know Marcus had 44. We know his number is 10 more than Logan's. So how are we going to solve for Logan's? We want Logan's to be 10 less. So what are we going to have to do? Number 3, Nick has 26 whistles. He has 4 more whistles than Carrie. So how many whistles does Carrie have? So again, we know Nick has 26. This number is 4 more than Carrie's. So what are we going to have to do to find Carrie's? Number 4, Jeannie planted 56 daisies. She planted 12 more daisies than Ned. How many daisies did Ned plant? So we know she planted 56. This number is 12 more than Ned, so that means Ned has 12 less. So we want to figure out how many Ned had. Number 5, Jimmy ate 81 peanuts. He ate 20 more peanuts than Devlin. How many peanuts did Devlin eat? So we know Jimmy ate 81. This number is 20 more than Devlin's. So how many would Devlin eat? Number 6, Jacob has 37 toy cars. Jacob has 14 more toy cars than Sarah. Which number sentence can be used to find out how many toy cars Sarah has? So Jacob had 37. That number is 14 more than Sarah's. So how are we going to solve for Sarah's? Number 7, Jabari has 57 dominoes. She has 22 more than Joey. How many dominoes does Joey have? So Jabari's got 57. This number is 22 more than Joey's, so that means Joey has 22 less. So solve for that one. Number 8, Linnea used 38 stickers. She used 10 more stickers than Antonio. How many stickers did Antonio use? So again, Linnea has 38. Her number is 10 more than Antonio's, so now we have to solve for Antonio's. Number 9, there are 12 more stairs in Laura's house than in Gerald's house. Laura's house has 28 stairs. How many stairs does Gerald's have? So we know that she has 28 stairs. Her number is 12 more than Gerald's. So that means that Gerald has 12 less. Number 10, there were 15 fewer people at the Burger Barn at lunch than at dinner. At dinner, there were 79 people at the Burger Barn. So how many people were there at lunch? So at dinner, there were 79 people. And at lunch, there were 15 fewer. So how many were there at lunch? Number 11, Jacob has 29 fewer baseball cards than Henry. Henry has 65 baseball cards. How many baseball cards does Jacob have? So Henry has 65, and Jacob is 29 fewer. So how many does Jacob have? Number 12, Miss Holt cans vegetables from her garden. This weekend, she made 13 cans of tomatoes. She also made 7 fewer cans of peppers than tomatoes. How many cans of peppers did she make? So she made 13 cans of tomatoes, and then she made 7 fewer cans of peppers. So how many cans of peppers did she make? There are 2 buses taking students on a field trip. There are 13 more students on bus A than bus B. There are 26 students on bus A. How many students are on bus B? So we know that A has 26, and that is 13 more than bus B. So that means bus B has 13 less students. So 26 with 13 less. Number 14, Corey's crayon box has 34 crayons in it. Mitchell's crayon box has 14 fewer crayons than Corey's. How many crayons are in Mitchell's crayon box? So Corey has 34 and Mitchell has 14 fewer. So how many does Mitchell have? Number 15, Maddie measured the length of a desk and a table. The desk measured 25 inches shorter than the table. The table measured 60 inches. How long is the desk? So the table measured 60 and the desk is 25 inches shorter than that. So how long is the desk? All right, number 16. The United States of America flag has 50 stars on it. The Arkansas flag has 25 fewer stars on it than the United States of America flag. How many stars are on the Arkansas flag? So the United States flag has 50, and the Arkansas state flag has 25 fewer. Number 17. Lauren and Delaney are putting together puzzles. Lauren's puzzle has 16 more pieces than Delaney's puzzle. Lauren's puzzle has 85 pieces. How many pieces does Delaney's puzzle have? So Lauren's has 85, and that is 16 more than Delaney's. So that means Delaney has 16 less. So figure out Delaney's. Number 18, Oscar made some chocolate and vanilla cupcakes. He made 17 fewer vanilla cupcakes than chocolate cupcakes. He made 29 chocolate cupcakes. How many vanilla cupcakes did he make? So he made 29 chocolate, and then he made 17 fewer vanilla. Number 19, Marco hit 13 more home runs this year than Paul. If Marco hit 36 home runs, how many home runs did Paul hit? So Marco hit 36, and his number is 13 more than Paul's. So solve for Paul's. Miss Little picked 53 tomatoes out of her garden. She picked 27 fewer peppers than tomatoes. How many peppers did she pick? So she picked 53 tomatoes, and then she picked 27 fewer peppers. So how many peppers did she pick? And then we have two open responses. Ralph has 25 carrots. Ralph has 4 more carrots than Lois. So how many carrots does Lois have? So if Ralph has 25, that number is 4 more than Lois. So that means Lois has 4 fewer. So how many does Lois have? And then number 2, Ralph fed 10 of his 25 carrots to his rabbits. How many carrots does Ralph have left? So out of the 25 carrots, he has used 10 of them. How many does he have left?